You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. On this note, I, Mr. Jainangre, would like to welcome you all on this 11th BRIMS Connect session for the month of December. Now let's have a glance on the updates and achievements. On 3rd December, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully placed 5 MMS students Bhagyesh Chariwala, Viraj More, Raksha Shetty, Rachna Gaikwad and Pooja Gounder in Axis Bank. Congratulations to the students. On 4th and 5th December, the CSR committee organized a cloth donation drive in collaboration with Yuva Moria, which is an NGO from Mumbai and Thane. A research paper written by Professor Mahesh Bhanushali titled A Bibliometric Study on Purchase and Technology Transfer with reference to industrial equipments was published in Scopus Indexed and Cambridge Scientific Abstract Journal named the Journal of Computational and Theoretical Nanoscience. Congratulations, sir. On 5th December, Dr. Smita Jape, on behalf of BRIMS IQAC and IIC team, organized a webinar on orientation sessions on national education policy with a focus on innovation and entrepreneurship conducted by Dr. Preeti Shirodkar. On 5th December, Dr. Pallavi Sandvaskar and Mr. Vaibhav Pandit, on behalf of IQAC along with the CSR committee at Dr. V.N. BRIMS, organized a webinar on the theme Environmental Sustainability, Role of Businesses and Individuals by Dr. Pradeep Panigiri, Deputy General Manager, Corporate Sustainability, Mahindra Group. We are happy to announce that Professor Krunal K. Punjani attended AICTE Atal's 5-day FDP on Design Thinking conducted by Vidyalankar Institute of Technology between 7th to 11th December. On 9th December, a session on career planning was organized for PGDM students. The speaker of the session was Dr. Nitin Joshi, director of Dr. V.N. BRIMS, and the session was moderated by Professor Kanchan Akshay. Moving ahead, on 11th December, Mr. Vaibhav Pandit and Professor Krunal K. Punjani, on behalf of BRIMS IIC team, organized a webinar on process of innovation development conducted by Mr. Badrinath Rao, CEO, Katleya Technosis Private Limited. From 14 to 19 December, Dr. Smita Jape attended 5 days advanced research program organized by ICSSR, WRC and the Department of Commerce, University of Mumbai. On 15th and 16th December, Professor Krunal K. Punjani attended 2 days international workshop on research paper and report writing organized by Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysore. On 17 December, Professor Krunal K. Punjani received the certificate for successfully mentoring and guiding students team of BRIMS to win the first prize for BMA in-a-thon and Dandekar Memorial Trophy out of the 26 other teams of students and faculty members from different institutes and colleges across Mumbai. Congratulations to you, sir. On 19 December, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully placed Ms. Manali Yadav, PGDM Operations, and Ms. Priyanka Shinde, PGDM Operations, students from 2021 batch in India's top and leading export organization, Alana & Sons, with a package of 3.75 lakhs. Congratulations to the students. We are happy to announce that Dr. Nitin Joshi attended a program on mid-career crisis on 19th and 20th of December. On 21st December, Professor Kanchan Akshay conducted a webinar on career guidance for the graduate students. Going further, Dr. Smita Jape, on behalf of BRIMS IIC team, organized a webinar on intellectual property rights conducted by Advocate Rupali Yeranais on 24th December. US cyclist John Howard once said, "The bicycle is a very curious vehicle. Its passenger is its engine." Between 25th and 27th December, a cycling challenge was organized by Dr. V.N. BRIMS Staff Development Committee and Sports Committee. Dr. Nitin Joshi, along with Mr. Paresh Shigwan, Mr. Kishore Wagmare, and Mr. Darshan Kohli, completed the challenge, covering a total of 100 kilometers in 3 days. Congratulations to all. On 28 December, Professor Vibhuti Save, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and Professor Krunal K. Punjani, on behalf of BRIMS IIC team, organized a Jugaad photography competition in which the participants had to click a photo of the innovation, that is the Jugaad, they do. The first prize is backed by PGDM student Ms. Madhavi Mandhare. The second prize goes to Ms. Purva Asgaonkar and Ms. Saidi Palak, and the third prize goes to Ms. Adiba Mukadam. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on, Professor Vibhuti Save, on behalf of BRIMS IIC team, organized a webinar on entrepreneurship development phases conducted by Ms. Mugdha Chaudhary on 29 December. Dr. Nitin Joshi, Dr. Smita Jape, and Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra acted as a reviewer for the Scopus and ABDC listed journals. Also, during the month of December, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar and Dr. Smita Jape's paper on crisis management strategies to mitigate the global COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian scenario, got published in UGC approved Journal of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences. Also, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar, on behalf of IQAC, got 15 students enrolled for certification courses offered by IBM PTech in the month of December 2020. Thank you, ma'am, for this great opportunity.
We would like to announce that one of our alumni, Ms. Ruchi Prabhu, who is the author of management books, fiction, and short reads, has launched her new book named Financial Regulations, and an article for the same was published in Asians Chronicle. Also, in the month of December, one of our MMS Finance student, Ms. Raksha Shetty, participated in Spardha 2020, which is a national level summer project presentation competition organized by Institute of Rural Management, Jaipur. Hobbies are said to be the modes of devotion that you give to yourself. Having a hobby that we enjoy brings us joy and subsequently teaches us how to set and achieve goals, solve problems, and make decisions. It gives us something fun to do during our leisure times and also affords us the opportunity to learn new skills and also gain knowledge through the development of your hobby. It helps to revive stress by keeping you engaged in something you enjoy. Hobbies help you grow in various ways, including exposing you to new opinions and to new ways to look at life. So now let us have a glance of some of our hobbies of our PGDM and MMS students.
Going ahead, Professor Krunal K. Punjani, on behalf of the IIC team of BRIMS, organized InnoBiz, Innovation Competition for the month of December, coordinated with the mentors to get their solution notes, and also coordinated with the senior judges panel to evaluate all the teams. Now Professor Praveen Narang will announce the result for the month of December.
Hello students, we are pleased to announce the results of the InnoBiz competition of December 2020. We want to thank all the students for having participated in this competition. We are also very thankful to the faculty mentors for having mentored the individual teams. At the fifth position is a team consisting of Seema Nimbalkar and Pragna Shetty. This team was mentored by Professor Dr. Smita Jape. At the fourth position is a team consisting of the students Grimisha Dongre, Pavitra Udiyar and Rutuja Bhoir. This team was mentored by Professor Sandeep Moge. At the third position is a team whose members were Purva Ajgaonkar, Revati Padture, Sally Palav and Sally Valanj. This team was mentored by Professor Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. At the second position is a team consisting of the students Meenal Jadhav, Shushti Padwal and Jane Fernandez. This team was mentored by Professor Krunal Punjani. At the first position is a team consisting of the students Mahiba Pauldas and Sally Karambelkar. This team was mentored by Professor Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. So, Hearty congratulations to the first position team and a tremendous thanks to all the other teams. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the winners. Now let us have a glance on the journey of this Innovis competition.
In the month of May, when the entire country was undergoing lockdown and all of us had no option but to be at home, our IIC team came up with an innovative competition, BRIMS Innovis, to engage all of us in an effective and practical way. Innovis has completed the journey of 7 months now. As a part of this competition, we used to get a problem statement in the first week of every month, and then all of us used to brainstorm with our teammates. The objective was to come up with some innovative as well as feasible solutions, of course with the help of our faculty members. Once we had submitted the solution notes, we eagerly waited for the BRIMS Connect program to know the results. Friends, in these past 7 months of learning from home, in addition to our regular online sessions, projects and presentations, we have come up with 63 solution notes. This is absolutely commendable. Let's hear the experience and feedback from some of the students on this BRIMS Innovis competition.
My name is Seema Nimbalkar. This Innovis Innovative competition, it was really the best competition, and our team mentor Dr. Smita Zape ma'am has guided us how important and helpful solving those problem statements in our career and life. So basically the combination of the guidance from our mentor and the practical and theoretical input from our team members, we prepared the solution with the innovative output. Yes, this competition has really increased our problem solving skill and we became more creative and innovative. Thanks to BRIM for organizing such competition. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Pradnya Shetty and I'm from MMS second year. Today I would like to share my views on the initiative taken by our institute, that is Innovis Innovative Competition. The main aim of this competition is to encourage the innovative ideas provided by the students. From this competition, I have gained my confidence. Not only this, but this competition have encouraged me to come forward and to take part, which have developed my overall personalities. As most of the problem statement were based on industry and market scenario, this competition will help us in solving various problems in the corporate world. Thank you.
And now it's time to see which students' team have performed consistently well throughout these 7 months and achieved maximum points. At the third position, we have the team of Meenal Jadhav, Shrishti Padwal and Jane Fernandez, which was mentored by Professor Krunal K. Panjani. And they have won Amazon voucher worth Rs 1,500. Congratulations team. Now let's hear the experience and feedback of this team.
Hi, this is Shrishti and I believe through Innovis competition we have had a very integrative experience and experiential learning. We also learned the effect of global environment on various kind of businesses, but the most important thing that we learned through this competition was how to have strategic and innovative thinking and analysis skills and how to use this in order to find opportunity identification and then further use this opportunity to have a better problem solving and decision making skills. And we also learned how to have a better communication through presentation skills, and lastly we learned team participation and leadership. Thank you.
Hi, this is Meenal Jadhav. Talking about the Innovis competition, this has really helped us to keep ourselves busy during the time of pandemic and gaining different knowledge from the different industries that were given in the case studies like banking sector, automobile, and also there were few solutions regarding corona problems. So overall this has really helped us to brainstorm our mind, and we would really like to thank our college for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Jane Fernandez. It was a great experience to be a part of this Innovis competition. On behalf of my teammates, that is Shrishti Padwal and Meenal Jadhav, I'd like to thank our mentor Krunal sir for motivating and encouraging us to take part in this Innovis competition. Thank you Krunal sir for your guidance. It is because of your guidance we were able to win this Innovis competitions.
The second position is secured by the team consisting of Purva Asgaonkar, Revati Parture, Saili Pallav and Saili Valanj, which was mentored by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and they have won Amazon voucher worth Rs 2,500. Well done, team. Congratulations. Now let's hear the experience and feedback of this team.
Hello everyone, my name is Revati Padature.
I am Saili Palav.
I am Purva Asgaonkar.
And I am Saili Vahadans. In the year 2020, since we all were at our homes due to lockdown and we were not able to attend the college physically and to participate in the events, the IIC team of Dr. V.N. Brims gave us an opportunity by introducing Innobis competition.
We got to know different types of problem statements and come up with the solutions by brainstorming many ideas. In this process, we used to discuss the idea, we even sometimes used to contradict each other's ideas and then finally come up with the best possible solutions.
In this, our mentor Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra has guided us and shared her insights, which has helped us to understand the problem statement better with more clarity, starting from what the problem is till the final presentation of our solution. Ma'am has mentored us, so thank you so much, ma'am, for supporting us.
Such competitions helps us to understand the real-time problems faced by the industry and develop our analytical and logical skills, which will surely help us in the future. We would like to thank our institution, the IIC committee and all the professors who used to devote their time in creating such challenging problem statements for us. This has indeed helped us to enhance our
thinking forward,
to be creative,
to explore and analyze the problem statement,
and to work in a team. Thank you so much to each one of you for giving us such an opportunity.
And finally, at the first position, we have the team of Mahiba Poldas, Saili Karamblekar, Prashansa Adakne and Ankita Chikne, which was mentored by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and they have won Amazon voucher worth Rs 4,000. Great work, team. Heartiest congratulations. Now let's hear the experience and feedback of the winning team.
Hello everyone, this is Mahiba from MMS Finance. I am so glad to share my experience about the Innobis competition. I still remember when we got the problem statement for the very first month, I would think that will we be able to do it, but when looking now at all the past months, I can say that it was really an enriched learning experience, starting from understanding a problem, then dividing it into different approaches so that we can find solution according to the different stakeholders. Then we would have our brainstorming sessions, we would share our ideas, discuss on them, and then finally prepare our solution note. We learn how to work in a group, how to understand each other's strengths, weakness, allocate our work, and then finally prepare our solution note, and also learn that how we can creatively present our ideas in words and in pictures. So I'd like to thank all the faculties who took their efforts for this competition, and also our mentor Meenakshi ma'am. Thank you for your guidance throughout this time.
Hello, my name is Saili Karamblekar. My overall experience during Innobis competition was very great. I have learned a lot of things like how to analyze problem statement correctly, how to give solution, and for that how to develop, improve and innovate your ideas, and also how to perform and complete tasks efficiently, and how to work in a team. So I'm feeling very grateful for being one of the participants of this competition. Thank you very much.
Indeed, it was a great learning experience for all the participants of this Brims Innobis competition. Thank you so much, IIC team, for conducting such a wonderful innovation competition.
So, these were all the achievements and updates of various events that happened in the month of December 2020. We would like to thank our Director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our Director General Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy for their constant support and motivation. We would also like to thank all the faculty members and the IT team for their support. We would like to thank the Student Engagement Committee for their efforts. Today's video was prepared by second year MMS students Purva Asgaonkar, Saili Palav, Saili Vahadans and Revati Padature, and the event was anchored by second year MMS student Jayanangre. We would like to thank each and every one of you for joining the event. Stay home and stay safe.